The flatMap method returns a new array formed by applying a given callback function to each element of the array and then flattening the result by one level. It is identical to a map followed by flat of depth 1, but slightly more efficient than calling those methods separately. Down below we have an array containing numbers, and we can see that 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 10, and 11, and 12. Maybe we can include also 9 right here. We can see that 4, 5, and 6 are contained inside an array, and we can see also that 11 and 12 are contained inside another array. But they are all in that big array containing all the numbers. What we want now is we want to create a new array which will hold all the numbers. Basically, we will remove that array and that array at the end. So to achieve this, what we will do is we will say const flattened array equals, we'll say r.flatMap, and here we'll have the element, the current element, and we will return that element, just like that. Now, if we console log this array, so I'm going to say console log flattened array, and save, and go down the terminal and say node script.js to execute this. We'll see that we have printed out the array which now contains all the numbers. So we removed that array and that array from the big array. That was array.flatMap explained. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and also recommend to a friend. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you again in the next videos.